Hey, good morning, friends. Today we're going to be planting broccoli and celery. I've already prepped this bed for the broccoli. I'm going to use about a third of it, and then in a couple weeks I'm going to use the rest of it to plant potatoes. So we will be planting broccoli here, and then we'll be planting celery in our fenced-in garden. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is the used to be tomato bed. Stan just cleaned this out. We had a lot of tomato plants here, but I've already reset these drip lines, kind of made a nice pathway here, and this is where we're going to be planting our celery. Okay, so I planted in between the drip lines the celery seeds, very tiny, so hard to keep up with. And we can't forget to turn on the drip line. That one. And this one. We're all done.